I can create a video with music and picture in easy way. I use YouCut. This is the application YouCut. I go to it. After I select the picture and the transition, I go to this option, music. I find a lot of music like that. I will choose this. This is music with not copyright. Like you see, I can control the volume of music or the fade, the intro and the out. This is the easy way to do a video with music and pictures. We can save it. This is all for this video. Subscribe in our channel and like it the video. Goodbye guys.